Okay, we got a furnace and air change out here today. Wiring, always keep an eye on your wiring before you tear it apart so you know what you got. Got a humidifier on this one to wire back in and an air exchanger. This must be an outdoor. There's Y and C, so they use this one for the outdoor sensor. This 4-wire goes out to the air. And these two, green and blue, are for the outdoor sensor, I would imagine, without even looking. And the other two, not sure. I'll have to look into that. AC is being reclaimed. Got it up on this rack here. I guess we're going to try and get the new one up on there, even though it's a lot bigger. We got the new AC up on this concoction here. And we made it work. We cut it as close as we could to the valves, and we're ready to solder here. Piece of cake. This stupid thing. I don't know who would ever done that, but that's quite a mess there. Looking pretty decently level. To flush this, so I like to, just in case these are going to reach the new coil, which they're probably not, I like to open this up and cut this back about here, and then I'll solder these together here, and then if possible, if it reaches, we can just hack that there and put it in the new coil. But it's probably not going to reach, but that's what we're doing. We're going to cut that, get this furnace and stuff out of here, and then we'll move forward. Corey's flowing nitrogen, soldering out there. Looks like he's all wired up here. Ready to all set up, ready to blow up for the indoor soldering. Alright, we got the big soldered to the little in here, and he's flushing it with nitrogen right now. And then we're going to solder it up and pressure test and pull a vacuum. Got her all set and ready to go here. Caulk to the base and all sealed up. Very important to pitch the furnace to the front for sure, and then to the drain if possible. We got the AC drain there, so it's kind of, you know, probably want it level left to right. It is a little high on the left here, but more importantly, we want the furnace high in the back. Otherwise, your secondary heat exchanger is going to be holding water, and it'll rot out prematurely if it's not pitched to the front. At a minimum, you want it level. So we're just checking it out now. We got our gas pressure. For those of you who don't know, we set this at 3.4, but on this type of gas valve, that's your outlet. You can see it says out right there, and then there's an inlet port here. So for that one, setting gas pressure, all you do is crack that little, and it's safe to remove that while it's running. The other ones where you pull the plug, not so much, it'll turn into a blowtorch. You gotta make sure it's shut off, but just crack that a quarter turn, and then you can put your gas pressure at 3.5. Put a little bit smaller furnace on this one. We went from an 88,000 to an 80. Now we're checking our combustion, which is pretty normal at right where it's at there. That's actually pretty good. 58 parts per million. I'm going to print that. And the temperature rise should be between 40 and 70. Corey's checking that right now.
68 over on.
68 on the return, and we got 102 here, and it's rising.
Dude, we're leaking water bad.
Leaking water.
There's no drain on the. What's going on?
Oh, it came off. Yeah.
You should have got a clamp on it or something.
I got a clamp on it. So whoever hooked up the other drain lines pulled it down. I'll have to get another clamp on there. Oh, great. It's just on and on with this thing.
When do you want this? You want this?
We'll have to address that. No.
Well, don't forget that. Yeah, why are we dropping?
What do you mean dropping?
We were at 104, now we're at 102.
I don't know.
So right now we're only at a 34 degrees rise.
Yeah, well, maybe we need to drop the fan speed.
Don't have to.
Are you sure it's still in there all the way?
Yeah, it's all the way in there.
You're checking that temp rise right where you're not supposed to. Are you sure you're in there?
Yeah, I'm all the way in there. It's a tight spot, but I'm in there.
Now it's going up.
Yeah, there it goes.
So something was goofy. Either your thing was kinked or something was going on. Alright, now we're going to check our static pressure.
Now we're at 42.
Will you plug those on there? There, I got it. So where's our negative right here? That's in the return air cavity. And then we're between the coil and the
So we're at a 44 degree rise.
blower on this one. So our static is just a little bit high at 0.56. We'd like to see that no more than 0.5. It's about perfect. Not going to complain about that.
About 43.
43 degree rise.
So we might have to drop the fan speed a little bit or leave it.
Well, we'd like to see it in the mid to upper range, so we might want to drop our fan speed a little. Yeah, so we'll drop the fan speed and call it good on the heating checkout. Alright, we're dialing in the AC over here. What's our subcooling?
10 degrees.
It's supposed to be 10 degrees. Thing's mint. Forgot to hook up the humidifier pipe down there, so I gotta go hack that in. And that's a wrap. Oh, fresh air with a bucket. I gotta find that bucket. There it is. Done deal.